I'm going to go over homework 3-2 problems 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. I will just walk you through in setting up equation for each problem, and then it's your responsibility to figure out the value of the variable or variables. Let's take a look at the problems. For problems 20 to 23, E is the midpoint of DF. Find the value of X. Problem number 20. DE is represented by the expression 5x plus 3 and DF is 33. Since E is the midpoint of DF, therefore we can say that DE plus EF is equal to 33 and DE is the same as EF. So twice DE is equal to 33. Substituting the expression for DE, we have 2 times 5x plus 3 is equal to 33. And you can go from there. For 21, DE is equal to 3x and EF is equal to x plus 6. Since DE is equal to EF, since E is the midpoint of DF, we write 3x is equal to x plus 6. This is a simple linear equation where variables are on both sides of the equation. So you go ahead and find the value of x. Number 22, DE is equal to 2x minus 3 and EF is equal to 5x minus 24. The length of DE is the same as the length of EF. I have to write that down. DE is the same as EF because E is the midpoint of DF. So DE is represented by 2x minus 3 and EF is represented by 5x minus 24 and they are equal. Go ahead and solve for x. And finally, 23, DE is x squared plus 3x and DF is 20. Now, just like number 20, twice DE is equal to DF. Plugging in the expression for DE, we have twice of x squared plus 3x is equal to 20. Now, the easiest method is to get rid of the factor 2 by dividing both sides of the equation by 2. So you simply have x squared plus 3x is equal to 10. Subtracting 10 from both sides, you'll end up with x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. You can solve this equation by factoring. This is a quadratic equation, so think of two factors of negative 10 whose sum will be positive 3. So you'll end up with x plus 5 and x minus 2. So the values of x would be x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to 2. Let's take a look at number 24. Read the question carefully and label your diagram. Again, in these types of problems, make sure you are writing equation to represent the given situation and solve the variable or variables. We read that AC is equal to DE, which is equal to 33. AB is x plus y. BC is 4y minus 2x, while DB is x plus 10, and BE is y plus 8. Find the values of x and y. Applying the segment addition postulate for AB plus BC, AB plus BC is equal to AC. Plugging in those expressions and the value of AC, we'll end up with x plus y plus 4y minus 2x is equal to 33. Simplifying the left side of the equation, we'll end up with negative x plus 5y is equal to 33. Now let's take a look at the other equation that we can form from the sum of DB and BE, which is equal to DE. Plugging in those expressions, we have x plus 10 plus y plus 8, which is equal to 33. Simplifying the left side of the equation, we'll end up with x plus y plus 18 is equal to 33. Subtracting 18 from both sides, we end up with x plus y is equal to 15. So we have the equations negative x plus 5y is equal to 33, and then x plus y is equal to 15, forming a system. Now it's your turn to find the values of x and y by solving the system of equations. Let's take a look at number 25. E is the midpoint of DF. So let me highlight DF. And we know that E is the midpoint. Therefore, we can say that DE is equal to EF because E is the midpoint of DF. Be careful not to assume that E is also the midpoint of GH because it's not given it's not a given information. Let's proceed. We know that DE is 3x and EF is y plus 10. While GE is x plus y and EH is 2y minus 1. We know that the length of GH is 14. We are asked to find the values of x and y. So let's go ahead and set up our equation. We know that DE is equal to EF. So plugging those expressions, we have 3x is the same as y plus 10. Let's take a look at GH and form the equation. We know that GE plus EH is equal to GH. GE is x plus y, while EH is 2y minus 1, and when you add them together, they add up to 14 units. Combining like terms on the left side of the equation, we'll have x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 14. Adding 1 to both sides, we'll end up with x plus 3y is equal to 15. Now these two equations, 3x is equal to y plus 10 and x plus 3y is equal to 15, form a system of linear equations. So you can go ahead and solve the system by elimination or by substitution, whatever works for you. Thank you.